Okay, hey guys, I'm not gonna do an intro today just because we have more important things to talk about. The new animal, okay? Okay, the new animal. The new animal. The pet tarantulas, the new pets. Yes, I'm gonna tell you what I think about this. A new animal. If the rumors are true, then a new animal will be soon coming to JAMA. We don't know exactly which type of animal it will be, but we heard that there might be a clue in JAMA. Can you find it? Well, so you see how this is like a fox or something? You see how this is like a fox, something like that? Where is everybody looking at cat stuff? It's crazy. Okay, well, so, see this? It looks like a fox or like maybe an Arctic panda, oh my god, or maybe a red panda or something like that. Well, it's not what everybody thinks it is, okay? This is not a fox, it is not a red panda, it is just a cool little sculpture. See, look, maybe it could be a red panda, but I doubt that because it has that little thing on its tail. It doesn't have a raccoon carpet, so look, they already have a fox. Why would they make two of the same animal? That'd just be stupid. So, it's either a red panda, but it doesn't look like a red panda. It looks like a fox, okay? So if you see here, it doesn't have a raccoon tail-ish. It doesn't have that. It doesn't. If you look at this one, right here, it has that tail. And then again, its tail is much thinner, and this body is much thinner than that one, okay? So it can't be red panda either. It's just a cute little sculpture. Everybody thinks that it's this. That it's this. And it's not, okay? It's not. And I just want to make that clear to everybody. All your ferrets. Okay? Ferrets. Ferrets out there better believe me because it's the truth. Ferrets. My lovely ferrets. It is somewhere else. Keep on looking. This is just... The cake is a lie. Your whole entire life has been a lie. Okay? It is not fox. It is not a red panda. It's the red panda also. You know what it also doesn't have? Get up higher. It doesn't have that tip thing up under the tail that it has carved. Okay? So that's why it is not a red panda and it is not a fox. It's just a cute little decoration. Yes, it used to be a seal. Yeah. But you know what? The new animal could totally be like a zebra. It could be a zebra. Because my sister requested, the Bubble Kitty, she's not my sister, but we're just really good friends. But she requested a zebra. It could totally be a zebra. You know what there also was? I also found a llama. But there's already a llama too. These are just from the past, when they were going to add in those, okay? That is why it is not. It is not. Red panda or an Arctic fox. It's just that, okay? And it really bothers me that people think that it's not. Okay? Let's just go eat. Let's just go eat Stuart. I'll actually promise that for the video. That would be a really funny joke. Let's go to Shama. Okay, well, I made that through. What I think about tarantulas. The new tarantulas. Those were there last year too? Yeah. They were there last year. I like them. So, me and my brother actually captured tarantulas. They're really cute and graceful, actually. So they're cool pets. Okay. Everyone's definitely excited about the spikes that are going to be here for the past 2 days. Yes? Yeah. Everyone is. Okay. They are. They just are because they are. Because we are the crazy kids. Yeah, but we're ferrets, right? Yeah, we're ferrets. So the animal could be totally something else that people have been requesting. I requested for us to be ferrets, of course, because we are ferrets, right? I requested for ferrets. My Bubble Kitty requested for zebras. I requested for the sea otters to come back. So that's just how it's working. People request things. I've heard that a lot of people have requested for the sea otters back. A lot of people liked them. I don't really know what else other people requested. But I know people want the sea otters back. So my guess is the sea otters. And then there's no more deer anymore because they're adding a new animal and they don't want to just have a bunch of animals everywhere. Like, what you want? Because that makes it even harder to decide, and then people play for a long time because then they get to see the new animals that come and stuff like that. And then they want to get a membership, and then they're like, oh my god, if it comes back and I have a membership and I have diamonds, I'll be like, you know what, I want a deer. So the deers don't cost diamonds, but they are a member animal. So yeah, that's a thing. I haven't really seen that haunted tree party, haunted house, something like that. I don't know. I want to check it out, but I can't. So yeah, I'm not gonna gift. There's other things to talk about. Um, it's a glitch. Okay, there we go. Look it down here. There's a lot of gems. Not gems. Whatever it's called. Shards. Please. Just stop. Oh my god. No. Um. Well, always check gems. Oh my god, I just got up. Just. So yeah. Never use taps. Well, what else is new? You're in one for the stupid only. Okay, well, let's go to that haunted forest party. It sounds cool. You can buy things. Well, first you can buy things, but you can buy things. So yeah. Okay. Coffins. That's cute. Oh my god, that's where people have been getting it. Witches, Dracula cake. Okay, I have to take a picture of it. Well, that's cool. Return to a guy of ghosts. Oh my god, I'm turning into a ghost. I'm a dead Freddy. Freddy, I'm dying. If this video ends, if videos unexpectedly, that means it's been filming for too long. It's been filming for too long. That's what it means. Until